Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this truck bed cover that I had on my 2022 Toyota Tacoma Limited. I have it for, I think this is gonna be the third year that I had it installed. The installation super easy, no issues at all. I do like this one because this is a soft cover. So, and I'm gonna show it to you and how it works in a close-up, kind of like in a few seconds. But I do like that this one is a soft cover, so when you're putting big and heavy things, you have some slack that can go up. When you put in ththose rigid ones, you are so limited. So that's why I don't like the rigid one. I had the chance to actually put on those retractable, and when I tried this one, I said, no, you know what, this is what I need, because you have this slack over here, but your whole truck bed and whatever you put inside is gonna be covered at all times. So it has this really nice kind of like heavy duty leather. It also has the locks that I'm gonna show you in a few seconds, and also this one, take into account that it's going to work for every non-trial edition of your Toyota Tacoma from 2016 to 2023. It's not going to work for the new 2024. Those are beautiful, but this one is not going to work. Let's take some kind of a closer look. So here's where you're going to find the locks right here. You're going to have one lock right here on the left side and one lock on the left side. So once you lift those ones up, you are gonna be all free on one side. Let's actually do the other one. And this is kind of like the other thing that I like, once you're done, you're gonna have this semi-rigid, because the semi-rigid, you saw one bar already, is the one that crosses the end of the truck bed. And then this is gonna be another one right here. You have this one, so everything's gonna stay in place, as well as the Velcro that comes in all the around the edge. So that's gonna be 2 bars, and this is gonna be bar number 3 right here. And then when you're done, check this out, you're gonna find this lock that actually is attached to the actual kind of like device, and in here you're gonna find a loop to lock this one, and the same one on the other side, so everything again is gonna stay in place at the same time. So that is really good, and having the Velcro is also really cool. But then once you have it all loaded with everything that you want to put it back is as easy as it gets. You just want to make sure that you have some tension, and when you're putting the Velcro, that it stays in place, that the bars are across the edge and across the whole truck bed and all that. So when you are done with that, you're going to kind of like lift this one if you want. If not, you can do what I do sometimes. It's kind of like do that and just like hit it a little bit. Or if not, you can just do what it's supposed to and just like stretch it all to the edge and make sure that you have it on that lock over here. So this one is all set. You can see how kind of like firm it is. It's still, you're gonna have that slack that I was just telling you before. Once you're done, we put this one right here, and it's all set and ready to go. All cover, all in good shape, easy to do, easy to assemble. It's not gonna take you much, like probably like 45 minutes or an hour tops, and then you're gonna have your Toyota Tacoma all covered right here on the back.